Okay, so here we are coming down into the basement that we're finishing out to live in. Originally, this wall here, this one, was the only wall that was down here. It's a somewhat load-bearing wall for engineered joists that go all the way across. I don't know if you can see that. So originally that was there. The stairs, they were there. The garage over there was there, and then on over that side through there was a storage area. So the garage through there. All of this was open. There was nothing here. It was all open. Back in that corner over there was the water heater. It's still there. We've since added in an HVAC. Of course, you can see the duct work, and then the plumbing was already there as well. So there's plumbing here, up inside, and then I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can get over here where there's some light. The copper. All right, so I've built the soffit to cover coming down the stairs. I'm going to remove this one, and this one, and then we'll come back to this one. All of this will be closed in with wall. This will be open with a handrail coming down, so it'll be open all the way up, and then the ceiling will come across. There'll be a platform starting at that step there, and it'll go across and then come down, and then one step down. So of course we have the long wall again with the soffit. I don't have the uprights in this here yet because I want to do the electrical down in there, and then on the top of that I have to put my fire break plywood. So I wanted to give myself some space along through there to get the sheets of plywood up in there, and then I'll come in and put those in. I already have them cut and set to the side. Over there, it's not as big of an issue because I can come in from that end in the storage area and go across the top with the plywood that way. Then every 8 feet here you'll see I have a gap in my foam board because I'm going to put plywood there, so I'll put another stud in there with plywood coming off towards this way, top to bottom, and it's a fire break to keep fire from going side to side. The fire break that'll be up top, up in there, on top of these boards here, these 2x4s here, will be fire break to prevent it from going up. So all that will be closed off. Of course, the HVAC unit, I've got to get that out of here and these out of here. They're going upstairs into the garage up there. So the HVAC unit is in this utility closet that I built. You can see where filter will be there, so the door opening clears the filter. The door opening clears over here, so we need to start, if we need to remove the water heater, we've got space to do that. This is a 4-foot wide door opening, which will be on a barn door style system, so it can slide from that way to this way to access that, but then it can also slide that way across there into the corner to clear this opening right here, so I can get this without having to take the door, slide the door all the way down to the right. So this is going to be the kitchen area. You can see where the plumbing is roughed in. So that will be the sink here. There'll be a 36-inch corner cabinet there, and we're going to have a 36-inch cabinet for a range top that'll be there with a microwave above, and then an 18-inch wide floor-to-ceiling pantry, and then the refrigerator will be here. Over on this end, again, the sink, there'll be a countertop come out, cabinet come out to a 24-inch. I think it's a 12-inch we have in there, and then a 24-inch, and then there'll be an 18, 36, and an 18 here coming out this way for a countertop bar top type thing. And then we'll have pendant lights above for that. I'm going to do recessed LED lighting above in here and probably here. And then my HVAC power will out through there. We're gonna set the outside unit out there. I'll run 8 2-wire from the panel, which is back that way, down this way to go out to there, and then another one across to the air handler. It's all electric, no gas. Of course, I've got some of the boxes in with the switches put in them. I've still got to get some more and put them in. But then this will be the open living area, living space. Over in here is going to be a desk right about where those lawnmowers are, that lawnmower is. Then the couch will be along this wall here, right through there. And then on this wall, up in this area, somewhere right in there is where I'm going to mount the TV up high. So I'll have electrical box up there, but I'll also have one down low to make sure I meet code. And the way this works, there is a 50-inch opening here and a 50-inch opening here. So those are 14 feet 4 inches apart from each other. So we'll go down, that's the hallway. We'll go down here. This is the hallway. It starts here. Of course, it goes out into the garage there. Right now, all of our belongings are in the garage. I've pulled the car out. That's the exterior door. So this will be a walkway here, from there to here, and I'm going to put an exterior door in this opening, just like that one over there. So this door here will match that one, but it'll be in swing this way. Okay. So from here all the way down to the end of this hallway is 29 feet 3 inches. So of course I'll have switches here to control things, the lights and the garage and the hallway. So there'll be 3-way switches here. I have electrical outlets along the hallway here and there, and another one here. There'll be 3 can lights down this hallway, 6-inch. One center, and the other 2 will be centered off of it to the next wall. And so this will be the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. And right now it's junk in here because we're still in construction. But anyway, this one will actually have a closet in the corner there. You can see it built. I haven't put the header on it yet. But there's the egress window for the bedroom. Then this wall here, again up high, I'm going to mount a electrical panel or electrical box, these outlets for high mount TV, and then there'll be another one down below just underneath it to match for code. And I'm doing them every 4 to 6 feet spacing along the wall. Now, one of the things that I will do in the bedrooms is one of the outlets in this bedroom, it'll be a twin bed. So the outlet here will be, it'll be on this stud here, will be a USB with a regular, like a 15 amp outlet with a USB port on there for charging the phones. And then you go next door. This is what we're calling the master bedroom. Again, up high here, I will mount for another TV, but still keeping with code along the bottom, all the way around the room, every 4 to 6 feet. Now, this room is going to be a little different. There's no closet in this room, but there are 2 doors. There's a door here that goes into the bathroom, and there's the door here that I just walked through. It comes out of the hall. So there'll be a switch here, and then a switch there. There'll be 2 3-way switches on there, because in this room we're going to do 4-inch can lights. It's either 4 or 6, I don't remember which ones I decided on. Can lights, but we're also going to have a fan light combo in the center of the room, which the other bedroom won't have that, so this one will. So I'm going to do 2 3-way switches on each opening, each door, so that we can control it from either side of the room. And again, we'll have those same USB powered outlets on either side of the bed, so there'll be 2 in here. Your window for egress from the bedroom to make it code. Back out into the hallway. That's the other opening here that goes into kitchen and living area. And then of course the desk for office area will be right there. So you come down to the end of the hallway, and you have this other door opening here. This goes into the bathroom. So there's one bathroom for downstairs. So you come in, there'll be a switch here. One will control the closet, which is on the other side of this wall. And then I'm gonna have one, maybe two recessed LEDs here for lighting in the bathroom. And so that'll be on a three-way. Then there'll be one single switch here to control the fan light combo that will be going right there where that ductwork is hanging down. It's already ducted outside. That's the door opening from the master bedroom. And then there'll be on this door here and that door there will be barn doors. So it'll be the sliding barn door there, and then here will be a sliding barn door here this way. So I've put my switch outlets over here, my switches over here, and these are two three-way switches. One will control, one three-way switch which will control the LEDs that are above here, but then the other single switch will control, there'll be two vanity lights here. It's tough to see on this video, but that is a knee wall that's about 4 feet tall, and it comes out away from the main wall, the main exterior wall. Along that top right there, we're going to do a wood shelf, and then there'll be probably either sheetrock, but we're thinking about doing shiplap along this wall and along that wall. So our plumbing comes down, there'll be a 24-inch vanity here, and then a 30-inch vanity here, and then that little knee wall right there is going to mount in right there, and it'll come out this way. So that's just going to move to the left. So we'll have our vanity lights here and vanity lights here with plumbing coming down. We'll have electrical, all GFCI. This is on a 20 amp circuit for the bathroom. Come in, it's kind of dark to see over here. So there's our toilet, plumbing, rough end. And then here is our shower. It's a 36-inch by 36-inch shower. So it'll be here, or it's already in here. It's plumbed in, ready to go. We're just going to sheetrock around. We're not going to do tile in here, but we will. The flooring, again, this is a kind of a storage area on this side and a storage area on this side. Our flooring all throughout, we're looking at doing tile on this flooring, because this right here, and we even broke it down a little bit when we moved the plumbing rough in. That was the high spot when they originally poured the concrete in this house. So right about here in this area is the high spot on the concrete. When I measure from there all the way up to the bottom of that floor joist right there, the difference from there to the low spot, which is way over there on that, where that box is mounted on that one right there, there's a 2 5/8 inch drop from where I'm standing now to that over there. That's a lot of space, a lot of distance, or a lot of drop that you have to make up for when you're doing tile. I'm never going to get it level. So because that existing wall there was already here, it limited me on what I could do for leveling out the floor. I couldn't pour to get level in here because that wall was already there, and it's load bearing, so I couldn't remove it. So it's kind of, I'm having to work with what I have kind of thing. They did a really poor job on the concrete here, so, but that's what I got, and I'm going to try to make up the difference. So you come around from the shower. This is our septic pump. The pit there's a pump down inside the pit. I'm going to wire an outlet and a switch here. This will be a service closet that will be enclosed. So that will plug into the outlet, but the switch for the service light will be right above it too. Now this is going to be our closet, going from the bathroom into the closet here. This is the master closet. Since there's not a closet in the master bedroom, you come through the bathroom to get to it. Similar to our old style, the house that we used to have. So this one, I believe, I want to say it's just under 6 feet wide by about 7 feet. So I'll put one light in here somewhere up in this area, and then there'll be an outlet somewhere around in here, I think, on the wall. Okay, come back out into the hallway, back down our 29-foot hallway, back into the living room where we started. that is the work that I'm doing. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and check back with us as we continue the progress. Thanks a lot, guys.